Gotta do some editing. Hi folks, today what we're going to do is we're going to bring back a little bit of nostalgia. What I'm going to do is I'm going to build an old-fashioned shoe shine box. Back in the mid-50s I made a few bucks here and there shining shoes all along Madison Avenue between Kedzie and California and all the way up to even Western Avenue. So I made a few bucks back then. So what do you say we get started? First I'm going to cut these to size. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it approximately about 13 inches on the inside, so it's going to end up about 14 and a half on the outside. So bear with me for just a second. I got to make the cuts. I'll be right back. Three equal sized pieces, 13 inches. Let's go back to the work table. Now, I'm not going to cheat too much. We got the nail gun and stuff, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it as much as I can back in the old days. So we're going to do this by hand. Pardon me while I get some nails and stuff, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. It really helps us. Thank you. Now we're going to do this the old-fashioned way. Instead of using the modern tools, we're going to use the hammer and nails like they did back in the old days. Now, when you nail like this by hand, make sure you hit the nail and not your fingers, okay? Now I have to leave you for a minute. I have to go outside and rip this to size, and I'll be right back. Now then, now that we got this ripped to size, we start at about the height of this of these boards. Now what we're going to do, we're going to cut these, not the same size because I want a little tilt to it. So one side is going to be roughly about 2 inches taller than the other side. Don't go away, I'll be right back. Now, pinch your nose a little bit. I'm going to see if I can attempt to draw a shoe. Yeah, it looks somewhat like a shoe, I suppose, or a foot. Now we go to the bandsaw. Now we go to the bandsaw and see if we can cut out this shoe. Now, if you got a shoe that big, you got some big, ugly feet. Now then, this wood is pretty hard and it may split. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-drill them so that we don't have, so that those nails will go in a lot easier. Screws. Now then, if you want a 25-cent shoe shine, you have to come all the way to Treeway, Wisconsin to get one. And that's for Mario. Now, comments below with any projects you'd like to see me do in the future. If you see this, don't forget to like us and share with us and make any comments. Thank you and have a good day.